Hey, what's up, guys? Bringing you some assistance straight from the Windy City today. And the question is, why am I not getting my Deepseek verification code when I'm signing up? Some users who are signing up using their Gmail accounts are struggling to get that verification code. So the issue, I don't know if it's Gmail or if it's Deepseek, but what you can do is either option A, sign in using Google. Now, some people are a little bit skeptical on doing that. And if you don't want to do that, your only other option is to either wait for the verification code, which could come 2-3 hours later, or just sign in using anything that isn't a Gmail account. So Outlook, Yahoo. Do people still use Yahoo? If you still use Yahoo or Hotmail, use that to sign into Deepseek and you should have no problems getting that verification code. Make sure to check spam because for some reason it always goes into the spam folder. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do consider subscribing to the channel and I will see you in the next video.